3rd, 2024, in the rugged mountains of Nagar, Gilgit-Baltistan, a massive avalanche crashes down with unstoppable force, turning the valley into a river of snow and ice, a gripping reminder of nature's raw and untamed power. Thankfully, the driver and passengers escaped unharmed, but the vehicle was swallowed by the freezing water, beyond saving.
Вот он. Все. Сурф ушел.
While this family enjoyed the peaceful mountain views, something that looked like white mice zipped past them, one after the other. It was not mice at all.